Right, what we have here is, it's been the first proper snow of 2019, and our Volvo is out of action, so I'm going to have to use the trusty RX8 to make sure that we have food. So this should be interesting then. Rear wheel drive, summer tyres. We do have traction control. So needs must. Disengage. Okay. It's fucking great, isn't it? Fucking great. Alright, chill out, car. Relax. Chill, car. Chill. The car is just having a fucking paddy. Right, chill. Oh, fuck me. Oh, this isn't going anywhere. This is great. No, bollocks. Failed. Don't even think about me. What the fuck are all these cars coming in here for? Balls. No, going nowhere. Cock. Right, so what can we gather about this? Is that the RX8 is rubbish once it snowed. The traction control, on or off, doesn't seem to help me get out of this poxy road. So it's a case of wrong tyres for the job. And no picking up any food for me. We'll try again tomorrow.